Back in November, September, October, November of last year, I started experiencing pain whenever I was walking or standing or doing odd jobs, and it just kept getting worse and worse. So I went first and had a deep joint injection where they numb the hip and see if that works. It worked for a day or two, and they said, well, really, you really need to pursue it further. So I went and had the x-rays and the MRI done and showed the arthritis in the hip. And so it just kept getting worse and worse. And I said, I've got to get something done. So that's when I scheduled an appointment to come in and have them take a look at it and see what they thought. And Dr. Schafer recommended that I have to have surgery. So that's what we did. My experience at Bluegrass Orthopaedics has been great. I mean, they've been very responsive to the telephone calls, anything, especially after the surgery. If I had any questions at all, Dr. Schafer's nurse, Sarah, was just excellent in returning calls and saying, this is what we need, or I'll get with Dr. Schafer and get right back with you, which they did. Even when he's in surgery, sometimes it would be maybe 30 minutes or a half hour or more, but still they would get back to you. That's good to know that you can count on them. It really is. The post-op care, they assigned a in-home rehab, and they came out and did the evaluation. They sent a physical therapist out twice a week for 3 weeks, and they did the therapy and stuff like that. And if they had any questions, they would actually check the wound to see how it was progressing, and if there's any issues there, they physically would call the doctor's office also. This is my first visit back since my surgery and seeing Dr. Schafer, and took the x-rays, everything looks good. He brought the x-rays up and explained to me everything they did and what it looks before and how it looks after, and eased my mind of any questions. They had like 6 or 8 questions we asked, and he's very knowledgeable in the field and told me exactly what needed to be done and what could be done, and what I should do and shouldn't do. Said not to get any yoga positions where I'm putting my leg behind my head, which I couldn't do anyway. Would I do it again? Yes. Would I recommend that anyone who's going to have it done here? Yes. It's been a great experience. And all the people are very friendly, courteous. Like I said, it's easy to get to, and I think they really care about you. I really do.